Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Restaurant Food Recipe. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Today we will make yummy and delicious veg crispy burger. To start with, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 2.5 tablespoons of onions. Saute till onion get brown. Add 2.5 tablespoons of French beans. 3 tablespoons of peas. 3 tablespoons carrot. Salt according to taste. Veggies are ready now. Add them into 4 medium-sized boiled potatoes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon breadcrumbs. Mash it properly. 2 teaspoon green chilies, extract of half lemon, 1 teaspoon oregano. Material for patty is ready. Make patty according to the size of bun. Give good shape to the patty like this. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it properly. Add half cup wheat. Now add half cup water and mix it properly. Dip patty into batter. Then coat with breadcrumbs. Patty is ready to be shallow fried. Heat 2 big spoons of oil. Cook patty in medium heat till base is crispy brown. Put some oil on it. Now fry the other side also until brown like this. Patty is ready now. Add 2 cubes of butter. Now place bun on it. It should become lightly crisp. Buns are ready now. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil, put mushrooms in it, saute and add 1 pinch of salt. Saute mushrooms are ready now. Spread mayonnaise, cabbage, veg patty, tomato sauce, again mayonnaise, put cheese slice on it, Top up with sliced onions, tomatoes, cucumber, and saute mushrooms. Place burger bun on top. Your delicious burger is ready. Enjoy with mushroom mayonnaise dip and potato chips. Make rest of the burgers in same manner. Here is your beautiful, yummy, delicious burger.